Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Watchwire News, your ultimate destination for all things tech and gadgets. I'm Chris Smith, and today we're talking about a serious issue that's been plaguing some Apple Watch users, particularly runners like our guest here. Our runner friend has been experiencing issues with the heart rate sensor on their new Apple Watch Series 10, and they're not alone. In fact, they've written extensively about these problems in the past few months. From inaccurate readings to complete silence, the issue is clear. This wearable isn't living up to its promise. So, what's going on? Well, during training sessions, the heart rate sensor will often fail to display the actual heart rate for several minutes at the start of the session. And sometimes, that failure persists throughout the entire workout. It doesn't matter if you're running or walking, the Apple Watch Series 10 is giving incorrect readings. Our runner friend took this issue to the test on Monday's 12 km run. They started tracking their heart rate soon after beginning their session, and what they saw was shocking. The watch initially displayed a reading of over 150 beats per minute, despite running at a moderate pace. But here's the thing. Our runner didn't feel like their heart was racing that fast. As you can see in the fitness app, those early readings were just as wild, peaking at 171 beats per minute before settling down to around 127. Now, it's possible that our runner's heart rate might have fluctuated slightly during that period, but seeing such a massive spike is unusual, especially if they weren't pushing themselves hard. The problem extends beyond this one reading. Our runner experienced similar issues again and again throughout their run, gaps in readings, wrong values altogether. And if you look at the graph for the entire session, it's clear. Something is seriously amiss with this heart rate sensor. This isn't just a minor annoyance. These inaccuracies can have significant consequences on fitness tracking and calorie algorithms, impacting our runners' long-term training trends. But what's even more worrying is how we can trust this data when we're talking about life-or-death situations like exercise-induced complications or health emergencies. So, what does Apple need to do? First, they need to address these fundamental issues with their heart rate sensor. Our guest suggests running some tests comparing the readings of different heart rate sensors on various devices. It's time for a little DIY science experiment. Second, if Apple can't fix these problems in watchOS 11 beta, what about future updates? At Watchwire News, we'll keep following this story and bringing you updates as more information becomes available. In the meantime, to our runner friend, hang in there, we're all rooting for you. Stay tuned for more tech news and reviews from Watchwire News.